If you do lose your tourney tag out there, oh, I guess you don't have anything to write on your hand though. I was gonna say, write something on your hand.
I got my last month. I got some identifier.
So you got a
Carbon
fish
in your
hook.
hand.
Yep, fish hook in your hand.
What is it?
Dedication.
RP2.
Might get you a couple more subscribers.
Yeah.
Subscribe to that channel. Was it shoot?
Lost my
blood.
Yeah. Lost my tourney tag, carved it in blood. Okay, let's go get cold. Alright, well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at the Kayak Fishing Utah's Tourney stop number 2 at Rockport. It's a balmy 25 degrees, and hopefully it'll get a little warmer today. I think the water is about 40, so we'll see what happens. Smallmouth in this lake. It's been a rough morning already. A couple things been kind of weird and goofy and gone wrong, and I either left my other camera at home or it fell out at the gas station down there. Somebody had to run the gas station, and they're gonna check for me since they're going anyway, thankfully. Go where we think there might be some, I don't know. Without fish finder or anything, that's gonna be difficult. So yeah, we're just gonna troll along the way and see what happens. We got something. Please be a bass. Of course. Of course I would catch a giant rainbow trout on a bass tournament. You know, this would be a lot easier for both of us if you would calm down. Well, we got this nice 18-inch rainbow on a KVD 15 or 5, X5, whatever. So that's not quite a fish we're looking for. Oh, but I guess better than nothing. There's ice forming on my reel and my guides. That was a horrible cast. Alright, we made it over to spot that probably don't have any fish, but we're gonna try it. It's not as deep right here as I remember, but I already caught one trout, of course, because I know how to catch trout. Trout are easy even when I'm not trying to catch trout. It was a nice rainbow though, 18 inches. Now we just need to catch bass, even some little ones would be okay with me. Whoa. Okay. Well, at this point, I think as long as we don't go in today, we'll be doing good. Really? Another big ass trout. Oh my gosh, he's pissed. Oh Oh my gosh, another giant trout. This one on a freaking biospawn finesse worm. Our big trout. He's gone. Thought for sure that would be a bass when I hooked into it, since I'm using a biospawn finesse worm again. I guess when you're a big trout, you eat whatever's available. That was a fun fight. Guess I'm just meant to be a trout fisherman. Use bass lures, catch trout. Hit a bass spot, catch trout. Well, halftime update. 2 trout. 2 bites maybe that I didn't get. That's about it. Aaron's caught 1 fish, was in first place, and then I just checked, somebody else caught 1 fish, a little bit bigger, 17. So we'll keep trucking here. I mean, my record for each tournament's 1 fish, and it's usually the end of the day. So, is that a fish? Or just a rock? That's a rock. Anyway. So we'll keep trying and see what happens. Usually it's 1 tiny fish at the end of the day. I'll take anything at this point. Alright guys, as you can see, day hadn't been going very well. We had the camera had an issue. And now there's snow blowing in my face. This is cool. Anyway. I ended up having a mic issue with the camera, so that last little update's the last thing I've got. Nothing else even happened anyway, thankfully, not thankfully. I wouldn't have had audio for it, but I would have had video. So, ended up 3rd or 14th, however you want to look at it. 3rd through 14th, no fish. Trout. Everybody caught a couple trout, it sounded like, but just no bass. A little too cold still, so hopefully things will change here for the next month's tourney. Thanks again for watching Shoot Fish Life. We'll catch you next week. We'll be in Idaho for a kayak classic hosted by Snake River Addicts, I believe. Hopefully that'll be a little better fishing up there. I don't know, but that tournament's any fish. We have to use whatever bait they give us. We don't get to bring any of our own baits and lures and stuff like that, so that should be interesting. And next thing you'll see is just the reward session. So thanks for watching again, and catch you next time.
So we had 2 fish submitted, so we got a 1st and a 2nd place. Well, I am giving out a 3rd place medal, and I think Eric's earned this for being my youngest angler, giving it his best shot. Congratulations, bud. Hope to see you out again. 2nd place goes to Aaron Johnson, 15 1/4 inches. She also is taking home $168. 1st place today with 17 inches is a newbie, Cayman. Congratulations. He gets a trophy and $252.
Oh man. Yeah.